Meaning of hospitalization.
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 Hospitalization. Hospitalization refers to the act of admitting a patient into a hospital or other healthcare facility for medical treatment. It often involves an overnight stay or longer periods of inpatient care, depending on the severity of the illness or injury. During hospitalization, patients typically receive continuous monitoring, testing, and treatment from healthcare professionals. The goal of hospitalization is to stabilize the patient's condition, manage symptoms, provide necessary interventions, and ultimately improve their health outcomes. Hospitalization may be voluntary or involuntary and can result from various medical conditions such as surgeries, accidents, or chronic illnesses requiring ongoing care.